New Balance missed an opportunity with this shoe. The New Balance Adunzo. These are like my first impressions, and I will get into my full review in the later half of this video. I had to tie them really tight. They felt snug on my feet. They're comparable to the Asics Gel Vika, but these are more comfortable. I'm talking about regular insoles, and these insoles aren't very thick. They're really thin. They're not doing the heavy lifting. The outer sole that's really doing all the work. They're way more comfortable, and I noticed that instantly as soon as I put them on. It came to skating. After a while, I switched out the insoles. This didn't help me very much. They fit true to size. So I bought them in a size 10, they fit a size 10. You do have the option of buying these in a wide shoe or a narrow shoe.
You had the option. New Balance, like, they don't sell this on their site anymore, so
they don't feel as cheaply made as the Asics do. New Balance, they tried to put a little bit more tech behind them. The mix of like a skateboard shoe and a soccer cleat, I feel like they failed on the skateboarding side. Let's get into the design. So I'm not hyped on the colorway. I wanted more options. That's why I think they were doing the test run, because they only released this one option. Unless these shoes pop off, we'll never know if we're gonna get more colorways. New Balance didn't send these shoes to a lot of skate shops. As far as the look goes, it kind of grows on you. I don't like how there aren't any tongue straps. You guys put tongue straps in the Westgate 508s. If you would have put them in these, you can obviously tie these shoes up tighter, and that could help you. You shouldn't have to do that. I don't like how these shoes made my old injuries flare up. Ankle, knees, and Achilles. These are not a cup sole. These are a Volk shoe. If you're somebody who's expecting a vulcanized shoe to do cup sole things, you're gonna be highly disappointed and you're gonna be sad. Just like me. These are ways that they could actually make this shoe better. Tongue straps, thin piece of rubber, the toe cap, just to give it a little bit more protection. It'll help it last a little bit longer. An extra pair of laces. Like, that's the first thing that started to go, were the shoelaces. Make the shoes more breathable. I don't want swamp foot. I don't want it. It doesn't like me. So basically, let's get into how they skate. The board feels excellent. The flick is excellent. Durability is pretty decent. I looked at them last night and they're just now starting to show where I'm about to have a flick hole. Yeah, durability is great except for the laces, but you know, shoelaces, it's basic things. Like, your insoles are gonna suck and your shoelaces aren't gonna be that good, but you do have a decent shoe. If I was you, I would invest in some shoelaces and invest in some insoles. This is my assumption. It's like you guys were either running a test, trying to see if you could hit two different markets all at once, and you kind of failed. The Adunzo is for a very niche group of people. These shoes just aren't for me. I like them, but there's a lot of things that I didn't like about them. Don't get me wrong, like, I enjoy these and I'll still skate them from time to time. As far as buying another pair, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just not. You guys could have had like an excellent shoe with these. As far as a rating, I'm giving these a hard 6 out of 10.
Yo, thank you guys for watching this video. My face over here, subscribe, leave me a comment, watch one of these videos that's right here, and appreciate you guys. Peace.